Hello guys, welcome to another grand interesting video on our behavior channel, and in this today's video we are going to learn about creating a fantastic logic that is basically going to be a conveyor logic, and that is what we are going to understand in this today's video about how to create that logic and how has it to be functioned of and what are the applications of it and why has it been used in industries. Okay, so welcome to this video, and I wish you will be staying till end of this video so that you enjoy and learn fascinating about simulation stuffs. Okay, so if you could look at, let me take you through an overview of this first. So if you look at, we have a source in here, we have a queue in here, and we have a main conveyor onto here where we have 2 to 3 stations. So first, second and third station, 3 stations we have where the part goes and sits into that station for getting processed, and once it is getting processed it is leaving the system. Okay, so if you could look at, this is how is the function was required onto the industry where we need to create. So this can be multiple stations and the same logic can be replicated here fourth ahead. Okay, but we have done it for 3 stations, the same can be replicated ahead. So there can be multiple stations in a factory which are linked onto the main conveyor. So what you could look at, what is happening is, the moment one part is leaving one area, okay, the fresh new part is released from the main conveyor. Till that time they are holding this part into this location so that this part does not go ahead. Okay, so this is the main crux of the logic, that you need to hold the parts onto this main conveyor, and based on the availability of the parts, or based on the availability of the station, you need to send the part to that station. And when the stations are getting, their parts are getting processed, those would be transferred through the main conveyor onto whichever area you want to send that. Okay, so now let us deep dive into what stuffs we have been brought into the play. Okay, so if you could look at, we have a decision point in here. Okay, we have a photo eye here, and then we have another photo eye. So we have 3 photo eyes here, and we have 3 stations out here. Okay, with 10 seconds of the cycle time applied on each. Now let us start the connections so that you can see the connections of the stuff. So when we go into this decision point and ports, when we look into the outputs, we have these stations connected to its output. Okay, if you could look at, and if you could look at here, the photo eyes are available here. So there is a central port connection from photo eye to each of these stations. Okay, if we could look at, and then we are going to have a crucial part which we'll look at the end of the video, how these parts are going back again onto the main conveyor. If anybody knows the answer, put it into the comment section. Okay, so now if you could look at, we are here on arrival. Now the most of the codes, if you could look at, are on these 2 parts. One is on the photo eye and one is on the decision part. Now let us look at the photo eye first. When we look at the photo eye, what we are saying that the current.center.object.part reserved is equal to 0. What does that mean is, we have set it up a label on the center object 1. We saw that the photo eye has a center connection with the station, and hence the label has been created, and the value of that we are setting it to 0 whenever the part is passing through this on uncover of this photo eye. Okay, and the same code is replicated. So basically we have a label here on the station with this part reserved. We convert it to 0. Visit our website behaviorchannel.com, and we will be meeting another grand interesting video. Till then, take care and keep simulating. So welcome to our website behaviorchannel.com, and you can see that we have a lot of educational content just for you. So the specialized content we have is discrete event simulation support, then we provide you industrial engineering training, then we have lectures for you, and then we have vlogs which are literally going to groom your skill sets and your knowledge Then we have a very important aspect of our life, that is health awareness related stuffs on your behavior channel. Okay, so here is our booking online appointment tab. So in the home you will get the tab where you can book online appointments for if you want the Flexsim simulation training, you can book it here. If you want the support related to simulation projects, that might be industrial simulation projects, then you can book and take an appointment from here. We will be discussing on that into this. Then if you want a support related to creation of 3ds model files which you can import in your simulation, for better visualization, we have that in here. You can book the appointments from here. If there are any simulation project support for engineering students, for their educational purpose, for their educational projects, if they need support on, then we are there to support you. You can book your appointment from here and we can have a thorough detailed discussions, and then we can take ahead the plan of how it has to be done. Then if you want the customized simulation model for your industry simulation projects, for your engineering projects, we can provide you customized simulation modules. So to know this in detail, book appointments now. There are very limited slots available, and it's the fastest thing you need to do is book online appointments. Then if you could look at, we are India's first and only simulation channel. We have our YouTube channel available. We have a dedicated playlist for simulation tutorials, modeling tutorials. We have a playlist for industrial engineering related stuffs. You can visit our YouTube channel from this, and do not forget to subscribe, like and share. If you want to know about us, it is available here. Here we have our scheduled events. These are the upcoming events across our behavior channel. So it might be our YouTube channels, it might be our websites, it might be blogs, so you will get a detailed info at the scheduled events, and you can check our services here for detailed and more informative things. So I've taken you through our home page. So we have a dedicated simulation page here. You can explore here. If you want any support in, you can reach out to us from this, or you can book the appointments directly. Because if you're going to reach out to us from here, we are guiding you to book the appointments indirectly. So you can directly reach out to us by booking an online appointment. Then we have the training classes here. If you want to opt for a training classes based on subscription, we also have option for that. You can visit and purchase that. Then we have the modules, in specific modules which you can buy, and those modules you can use in your industrial projects or your engineering projects. Then we have an engineering tab where we bring in the content related to industrial engineering, synchronization of different technologies, and the sync between simulation and industrial engineering. So there's a lot to explore in this industrial engineering domain. Then we have also bought your personality development tab, where we bring the content which can groom your personality, help you develop, upgrade your skill sets in a journey of job and career upgradements. So we bring a lot of exciting topics onto this. These videos will be released on our website first, and after 2 weeks of time, these videos will be released on our YouTube channel. So it's better you visit our website daily to get recent updates. Then we have personal finance tab, where we support you for, managing your finances so that you're building a wealth with a strong financial background, So the foundation needs to be strong for financials. So this is a tab where you can, explore our content, where we share our, views, we share in tips which can help you manage your finances. These all things you will be getting in engineering. We have the, best to the class blogs available, ranging from simulation technology, then different types of technologies, industrial engineering, finance, personality development. All these stuffs you will be getting in a form of blogs in here. So we upload blogs daily. Visit our website behaviorchannel.com to get maximum out of it. And then we have health awareness tab, where you could look into. We are going to have a lot of exciting stuffs related to health. We are still working on this, guys. We need your support. Give us a like, share and subscribe, because we are going to bring a lot of exciting stuffs which you will not get anywhere available to top-notch quality. So here you see we are bringing in health-related blogs which are dedicated so that you live a healthy, stronger and happy life. We have organ-related tips here, ankylosing spondylitis support we provide in, and you can contact us in here. So this is, an overall high-level journey for our behaviorchannel.com for services like simulation, engineering, personal finance, personality development, blogs, health awareness, and many more. It's like having multiple, things under one umbrella. So what are you waiting for? Do not forget to visit our behaviorchannel.com website daily so you groom yourselves, upgrade yourselves, and stay updated. So thanks for this, and do not forget to like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel and visit our website behaviorchannel.com. So see you in the next video.